Good morning. It is Thursday, April 2nd. I am happy to be here and I hope that you are as well. For today, ladies and gentlemen, daily check-in. I hope to get 100%. We'll see though. That can be found in our homeroom course in Schoology. For math today, make sure and check in with your math teacher and that course so that you know what you're doing. Reading today, we are going to do some silent reading again all week long. And then there is a personal choice book discussion post with some questions that I want you to answer about just your reading choices. And that can be found in our language arts course in Schoology. For writing today, I have posted our second journal prompt. So go ahead and you can also find that in your language arts course in Schoology. And one thing that I want to just reiterate is that I want you to take some time to really think about the things that I'm prompting you with. They might be videos, they might be articles, but I just want you to spend some time thinking about that before you right away immediately start writing. Okay. Social studies. Today we are starting science. So social studies, if you haven't logged into TCI yet, that's what you should try. But science today, we are going to get started in Discovery Education and using that website. So it should be a pretty exciting day. We have a virtual meeting at 1 to 1:30 where we are going to practice our WebEx one final time. We have one time Friday as well. But we will also be talking about our personal choice book and just how we can make sure that we're making a good choice and also getting that reading done during the day and what we can do to better our reading skills with that book. The code is there for that virtual meeting at 1 to 1:30. And then again, my office hours are from 10 to 11 today. If you want to just hop in, if you have a quick question, if you don't feel like that and you want to just email me, I'm fine with that as well. But in my teacher's notes, bit by bit, we're adding a little more every day. And this week might have felt like it was a slow week, but as we continue on, we'll continue to enhance what we have in each subject. And it will include different activities that kids will be doing during the day. So just remember, I quoted the other day that sometimes it's important to go slow to go fast. And you know, that statement rings true and is important because we have to know how to do things before we can complete them quickly. Anyhow, feel free to shoot me an email or contact me through my office hours or on Schoology, and we'll go from there. I hope that everybody has a great day, and I want to leave you with a little piece of information. There is actually a cat in the town of Talkeetna, Alaska, that has been elected mayor for the last 15 years. Might want to do some research. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.